Don't show that kind of frustration in front of Sir Jordan. It's like blood in the water.
Oh, looks like we've got a Jordan expert over here.
You could say that.
Maybe.
I figured I could be of some service.
Wait, you want to help us defeat Jordan? But you've always worshipped him.
Aye, he inspired me. But I kneel to no man. I serve the good of the realm. You must continue to move the game forward, King James. You are my legacy. Those knights in there, they are our legacy. I sense doubt.
Look, I know I have the size, the skill, the power, but...
He was there last night and he wasn't the attacker. I feel like I should publicly apologize to him.
Yes, he's a killer. And to defeat him, one must become a killer.
Wait, what?
Cut away all your distractions. Cut away self-doubt and insecurity. Once you have removed all that does not serve you in battle, you have found your Mamba form.
I'm sorry, I don't think I understand.
I'm saying, you need to shave your head.